My name is Micah McCary, and I proudly serve as the interim director of our Ohio University LGBT Center, part of our Division of Diversity and Inclusion. This video will offer you some September 2019 program and initiatives you won't want to miss. Our theme this year is friendship and community, so we want to start out by giving a shout out to just one friend who's already reached out in collaboration from our Career and Leadership Development Center, Tamika.
Hi, my name is Tamika Williams, and I am the Assistant Director for Diversity and Inclusion in the Career and Leadership Development Center. We're here to help you in your career endeavors to make sure that you are properly prepared when your time at Ohio University is up. And also, after you graduate, we realize that some students won't stay in the same job forever, so we're here to help you even as an alumni. We have services for career coaching, leadership coaching. We also do workshops for training programs. And we're just a really great resource and a great group of people to kind of hang out and get to know. But more specifically, the service that I'm bringing to you and to this center is going to be the D&I Drop-In Career Corner. This is my corner. So you can find me here on a rotational Wednesday basis from 10 to 2 p.m. The days that I will specifically be in the LGBT Center is going to be October 2nd, October 30th, and November 20th. So on those days from 10 to 2 p.m. on a Wednesday, you can catch me right here in this spot in the LGBT Center to do quick questions that you have about your career goals. So come hang out with me, ask me all the questions you have, or just bring me some Starbucks. I'm cool with that too.
Coming right up on September 10th.
So of course, the heart and soul of our work here at the LGBT Center is our programming that we offer to students, staff, and faculty. First, we have a zine making workshop in collaboration with the Women's Center, the Multicultural Center, and Health Promotion. Zines are, for those of you who don't know, little DIY magazines.
But that's not all.
And that same day at 7 p.m. we have an event happening at the Athena Cinema, at the beautiful Athena Cinema on Court Street. We're showing the 1990 iconic documentary, Paris is Burning, which is about the New York City drag ball culture in Harlem.
Just one day later, on September 11th at 6:30 p.m., LGBTQ constituents and friends are welcome to join us in the LGBT Center at 6:30 p.m. prior to the annual 9/11 Peace Walk. It's a chance to get to know each other before we participate in an important community event. Here's a cool initiative brought to us by Julie Chicky from our College of Engineering.
Hi, I'm Julie Chicky. I go by she, her, hers pronouns, and I'm the Director of Student Success and Retention in the Rusk College of Engineering and Technology. So there's an organization called OSTEM, or Out in STEM, that I've been thinking about seeing if students are interested in getting started on this campus. And I think the purpose of these kinds of groups is to say, we see you, we support you, and we need you. We need your voice and your perspective. And OSTEM is really about helping students on their local campus connect with each other, connect with their surrounding community, and connect to the larger organization.
To help facilitate communication about LGBTQ programs and initiatives at Ohio University, we invite constituents to attend monthly community ties meetings designed to get folks together, hear updates from our LGBT Center, provide your input, and give some feedback. And on September 24th, 2019, we have Wellbeing with Pride.
So Wellbeing with Pride has three elements. There is motivation, activation, and relaxation. All of these kind of stations will teach us different strategies for remaining centered and for being kind and good to ourselves.
On Friday, September 27th, from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., please join us in the LGBT Center to meet members of our University Interfaith Association. It's an important way to get connected to spiritual life on campus or just to talk about faith-based issues as they intersect with LGBTQ identities. Still yet more programs to come. For our Ohio University constituents who are members of LGBT groups or would be interested in joining such a group, we invite you to attend our monthly Out and Organize meetings, the purpose of which is to get group members together, sharing information, and identifying potential opportunities for collaboration. And still more. We're very fortunate this fall semester 2019 to have librarians visiting our LGBT Center weekly on Fridays from 2 to 4 p.m. just to get acquainted with our students, to offer assistance, and to share all the wonderful resources we have available through our library system. Another exciting initiative out of our LGBT Center this year was actually started by a student staff member, Jesse Keller, last year. It's a group called Super Kuros, and it's here for LGBTQ folks who are into tabletop gaming, cosplay, comic books, and all things geek culture as a way of cultivating more sense of belonging and interpersonal connectedness. As a super cool complement to Super Queeros, the volunteer wing of our LGBT Center is called the Super Friends, and it's an opportunity to figure out how you can get involved. And we are fortunate to give a shout out to some special alumni Super Friends who've already contributed to Ohio University's LGBTQ initiatives recently. Lacey Rogers for a super fun trivia night featuring LGBTQ themes right at Casa Nueva here in Athens this summer 2019. Jacob Jegaswet, who brought back the fun tradition of having LGBTQ community members meet up for a concert under the elms right on College Green this summer. And big thanks to alumnus Christopher Kolke for helping us get Super Friends started and helping folks figure out how they can connect with our LGBT Center through volunteerism. This is going to be an outstanding year. Look for more coming from our LGBT Center and have a fantastic day.